Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we're going to cover an important and commonly required letter, the Work Visa Application Letter. If you're planning to work in another country, you'll need a work visa, and a well-structured application letter is essential for making a strong case to the embassy or consulate. This letter serves as a formal request for a work visa, explaining your job offer, employer details, and supporting documents. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write a work visa application letter step by step. Check this out. Your contact information. The first thing to include in your letter is your personal details, which go at the top left corner. This ensures that the embassy or consulate knows who is making the request. Make sure to include your full name, your complete address, your city, state, and zip code, your email address, your phone number. For example, Michael Johnson, 456 Willow Street, Los Angeles, California, 90012, michael.johnson@email.com, +1 555 987 6543. Providing this information clearly ensures that the immigration office can easily contact you if needed. Date. Next, include the date when you are writing the letter. The correct format is April 30th, 2025. This helps to keep an official record of when your application was submitted. Recipient's details, addressing the embassy or consulate. Now you need to address the letter to the appropriate embassy or consulate handling your visa application. This section includes embassy or consulate name, embassy or consulate address, city, state, and zip code. For example, if you are applying for a work visa to Canada from the US, it would look like this. To Canadian Embassy in Washington, D.C., 501 Pennsylvania Avenue Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20001. Using the correct address ensures that your letter reaches the right officials without unnecessary delays. Subject line, clearly stating the purpose of your letter. The subject line should be direct and specific, so the immigration officers immediately understand the reason for your application. Format it like this. Subject application for work visa type. For example, subject. Application for temporary work visa, H-1B. This makes it clear that you are applying for a work visa and helps process your application efficiently. Salutation. Addressing the official. Since this is a formal letter, it's important to use a proper salutation. If you don't know the recipient's name, you can use Dear Sir, Madam. If you have the name of the officer handling your case, you can write Dear recipient's name. This keeps your letter professional and respectful. Opening paragraph, stating your visa application request. In your opening paragraph, clearly explain why you are writing. This means mentioning the type of work visa you are applying for, the country where you intend to work, the name of your employer or sponsoring company, your job title and field of work. For example, I am writing to formally apply for a temporary work visa, H-1B, to allow me to work in Canada under the sponsorship of ABC Tech Solutions. I have been offered a position as a software engineer with ABC Tech Solutions, and I am eager to contribute my skills and expertise in the technology industry while adhering to the legal requirements of the host country. This introduction immediately clarifies the purpose of the letter and provides key details, providing supporting details about your employment. The next section explains why you qualify for the work visa and provides essential details about your employment. This should include your visa type and employment details, your start date, your qualifications and experience. For example, I have reviewed the visa application requirements and have enclosed the necessary supporting documents. My employment with ABC Tech Solutions is set to commence on July 15, 2025, and I kindly request that my application be processed at the earliest convenience to facilitate my smooth transition to Canada. My role as a software engineer will involve developing and optimizing software solutions, and my qualifications include a bachelor's degree in computer science and over 5 years of experience in software development. This section reinforces your credibility as a qualified professional and justifies your work visa request. Listing supporting documents. To strengthen your application, list all supporting documents you are submitting. These typically include a copy of your valid passport, a formal job offer letter from your employer, An employment contract outlining your role, responsibilities, and salary. Proof of qualifications and relevant work experience. Any additional documents required by visa regulations. For example, I have enclosed the following documents to support my application. A copy of my valid passport, a formal job offer letter from ABC Tech Solutions, an employment contract detailing my role and salary, copies of my educational certificates and work experience letters, any additional supporting documents as required by visa regulations. Clearly listing these documents helps immigration officers verify your application quickly, requesting further guidance on the application process. In this paragraph, politely ask for further instructions and express your willingness to provide additional information. For example, please let me know if further documentation or information is needed to support my application. I am happy to provide any additional details required for the approval of my work visa. This shows that you are cooperative and proactive in ensuring the process moves smoothly. Closing paragraph, showing appreciation. Before ending the letter, always thank the recipient for their time and consideration. This helps maintain a positive and professional tone. For example, I appreciate your time and consideration in reviewing my application. I look forward to your positive response and the opportunity to contribute meaningfully to ABC Tech Solutions and the Canadian workforce. This leaves a polite and professional final impression. Closing and signature. To formally close the letter, use "Sincerely, your full name." For example, "Sincerely, Michael Johnson." This completes your letter in a respectful and official manner. And that's it. You now have a properly structured work visa application letter that clearly explains your request, provides all necessary details, and ensures a professional presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.